Testing, 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 testing. Alright, we good. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Keith back with another live trading stock slash futures live stream. Today is Wednesday, July 22nd, 2026. Finna get into these charts. We're finna get some trades in. Before we do, y'all know what we gotta do. We gotta get our prayer in. So let's go ahead and bow our head. Dear Lord, we come to you once again for another day, just saying thank you for being you, Lord. Thank you for caring. Thank you for loving us. Thank you for providing for us. Thank you for always instilling wisdom in us, Lord, allowing us to be able to grow, allowing us to have free will and to be able to make choices to experience life. Thank you for our family, friends, and loved ones that you allow us to see, allow to be here on this earth another day. And thank you for the ones that may have passed that we added memories with them, Lord. I want to just thank you for allowing us to have the ability to be able to get on the charts, Lord, to be able to learn a skill, Lord, and have something that we could forever have as long as we have our mind. The Lord, as we get on the charts today, I that would be grateful for the opportunity. We learn something, no matter if we win, lose, or draw, that we continue to grow, we continue to get better, and continue to sharpen our skills. We want to thank you for all you do and continue to do. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. All right. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? I gotta start back putting my camera on, y'all. I ain't had my camera on in a little while now. Think next stream we might bring the camera back on. Might put the camera back on. Alright, let's go check out M&Q today. I didn't do no type of analysis or nothing last night. I just came home and went to sleep, honestly. Looking at M&Q, like we just still in this downtrend. We got high, low, lower, high, lower, low. We did break the trend there. Low, high, lower, low. Continue the downtrend. We did have a green candle yesterday. So we making some type of high. We don't know how high I want to go. Really, if we wanted the downtrend on this daily, we need a red daily candle. Right now it's turning red, but that don't mean it's gonna stay red. But we need a red daily candle to tell us, okay, yeah, we should be coming back down to these lows down here at 28,408. That's where you should be looking to go to. This is the level we don't want it to break. Sitting here at 30,062. It's stuck in between these two daily gaps right now. So we got to see what it wants to do. It's stuck between two daily gaps. Honestly, I would have said take the shorts right here at that 29,220, but it already pushed below. Maybe we can get a retest, and if I see a downtrend happen here, take it back down. But honestly, it's kind of tricky today. It looks like market's still trying to develop. I said it yesterday. We did force a couple trades yesterday. Took like $60 loss or something like $90 loss in total, and then we got off. It's kind of like yesterday, man. You probably gotta go to the lower time frame and follow what trend it is. Because the daily's still developing. The daily's still developing. Like I said, we made a lower high, lower low. So we in our downtrend, but last thing we did is start pushing up for a potential high. Well, some type of high. We don't know if it's gonna try to make its way all the way back up, or do we get our red daily candle to tell us, hey, start looking to come back down. We kind of gotta wait until we either get a red daily candle, or we come break these highs, or make some type of uptrend. So it's kind of telling us not to really trade based off that daily, but we can probably try to scalp something. Okay, we can try to scalp something. Just go, like I said, go to that lower time frame and maybe scalp. On that hourly, we're in a downtrend clear as day, so we could try to follow this downtrend based off this hourly. Could try to follow this downtrend here. Aiming for these lows. Just gotta see how this market reacts. Alright, so we might try to play a downtrend, play some shorts. We have to see if we can get a short opportunity though. So let's jump over to NYM. NYM, let's look at this daily. Remove some of these lines. I can keep that there because it looks like that's where it's sitting at. NYM daily, it also is in a downtrend. We got low, high, lower low, lower high. Even though it's super close, it's still lower high. Lower high, lower low. So it's in a downtrend. Yesterday we closed green, so it's telling us we're making some type of high. We don't know how high I want to go. Like I said, we really kind of got to wait until we get a red daily candle to tell us to come back down to that 52,000 level. So right now we don't have our red daily candle. Yes, the candle looks red right now, but that don't mean it's gonna close red. So we kind of gotta be patient. We gotta wait. The daily telling us don't really trade nothing right now. But if we go down to the hourly, maybe we can get some scalps. Let's see what the hourly look like. Hourly like it's consolidating. Oh, the hourly looks horrible. Be honest. This hourly looks horrible. Hourly, higher high, low, high, lower low. Yeah, it's just, I don't like this hourly on MYM. It look like we only gonna look at M&Q for right now. We're gonna leave MYM alone right now. I do not like this consolidation area. Maybe it's trying to build to break up to come back and retest this 52,000. What is that? That daily gap right here, 52,866. Maybe that's what it's doing, but I don't like how it's looking right now. I'll put alert if it break this high here, but I don't like it down here. That looks crazy. Look at the 4 hour, maybe the 4 hour cleaner. Alright, so on the 4 hour we got high, low, higher, high, low. If this close green, it tell us we trying to make some type of high. Got 35 minutes. So it look a little cleaner on the 4 hour. Yeah, the 4 hour looks a little bit more cleaner. But I don't think I'm messing with NYM today. Like, we only gonna trade M&Q for today. I could look at gold. Let's see what gold look like. Is it saved on my list? Cause I ain't trade gold in so long. It's been forever since I traded gold. Take it up here. Looking at gold. Gold look a little cleaner than all of them. Well, now M&Q look cleaner than gold. Gold look like on a daily, we broke the downtrend. Yeah, we literally just broke it on this candle last night. Or for today, basically. Just broke this downtrend. If y'all can't see it, let me mark it out. It was a downtrend here. We broke it yesterday. Well, I don't count this as a break until we break a lower high, so we broke it today for me. Because that's when we broke the lower high today. Right there, that's the lower high we broke. And then, look like we finna break this next one too. Right there. And then that's the last bit. Market about to open in about 4 minutes. Maybe on gold, since we broke this lower high at 4,112.6, maybe we can get a retest of it and then make an uptrend. I'll take longs. Or if we break above 4,148.8, do the retest, make an uptrend, take some longs. So let's go down to the lower time frame. And let me see, let me go to 5 minutes. Alright, so it didn't make the uptrend off of it. It made an uptrend over here, so it already made an uptrend. It probably just go straight up to these highs now. Yeah, I think it's just gonna go straight up. But I don't want to get in without no base. But if we, in the event that we do come back down here, this is where I'll look for them longs. Take it back up. I think this was the trade right here, though. I think it's gonna go on up there now. But we can also look for break above here uptrend to take some longs. Now I don't think it's gonna get to that next level because with the news events, we ain't really got no news events except crude oil today, but still could take some longs. So it look like M&Q and then backup plan is gold. M&Q and then backup plan is gold. Really, I think we probably ain't gonna get ready to touch no trade until after the hourly. So after the 9, I think the first 30 minutes, you might gotta leave it alone. Unless I see a downtrend underneath this daily gap. I mean this hourly gap. I see a downtrend under here, then I probably take it. But other than that, I think leave it alone. Cause like I said, that daily kind of telling us no trade today. The market not ready, but we can scalp, man. We can scalp. But right now, I really don't want to scalp the long. To be honest, I don't want to. If we go long, I think we'll go one contract. If we get in some short opportunities, we go on 2 contracts. Just because I'm more leaning to the shorts right now, just because of the hourly in the downtrend, the daily in the downtrend, but we don't have a red daily candle yet. That's the thing. So, like I said, this daily candle can always come back up and turn back green. Because it's looking for markets. It's telling the market looking for some type of high. We just don't know how high it's trying to go. And I just hate to take loans when the hourly's in the downtrend. I think when I actually will take loans is if we break that 29,173, we get a break in retest. I could try to take loans then, or even above this hourly gap right here. If we get above this hourly gap, now how it just automatically bring lag when the market open? That's crazy. We ain't had no lag this whole time. Now it just brought lag to the market open. That is crazy. I could understand if I was like if TradingView had where you buying your options on here and a lot of buying sales happening, but we not buying options on here. We just literally looking at the charts. So why the heck is lagging so bad? Yeah, you just gonna sit and wait. Like I said, we get an uptrend above this hourly gap. We probably could take loans and try to aim for that 29,073 level. I just hate to take the loan. That's why I said we only gonna take one contract. I just hate to take the loans like that, to be honest. Cause technically we in a downtrend. That's why I don't really want to take the loans. We in a downtrend on that hourly. So we gotta know to get in and get out. That's one thing we're gonna have to know. Get in and get right back out. Cause it might be quick. It might not even give us that long opportunity. It might just go straight up to it if it want to break. We just don't take that trade. Gotta be patient. Gotta wait till we see a nice setup. You gotta wait till we get a nice setup, man. I'm gonna try to stay off that dang 1 minute. That 1 minute be getting me sometimes, y'all. I get on that dang 1 minute, I get faked out. I be getting faked out. And then I go back, review my trade, and I'm like, bro, if you just stayed on the 5 minute, you would have been alright. 1 minute be faking me out, I swear. Alright, it look like it's just gonna go straight up there. If it do, it don't like it's gonna give us the opportunity to get in, cause it's just pushing straight up. We ain't get no opportunity to get in. It's alright. No opportunity to get in. Look at the 15. 15. Nothing really going on. Early. I guess I could put some music on because we probably gonna have to wait a little bit, y'all. Put some music on. Where my background music at? There we go. Got the background music on for on for you. And what to do? Can't take a trade cause it's due. Uh, the market looking trash. We can't even do nothing. Sit back. Mm. Little freestyle. Hold up, y'all. On it now. Let's look at some stocks. Yeah, let's look at some stocks. We ain't really got nothing going. Oh, I forgot about gold. My bad, y'all. I forgot about that gold. I could have been looking at gold. So gold pushed up there. I said that I think it was gonna just push straight up. Yeah, push straight up there. Actually, this could have been an opportunity to get in right here. Let's see. We can get in one light long to see what it do. See if it hold this trend. I'm gonna let it come down a little bit. Alright, let's just get one light long. See if it hold the trend or not. See if it can hold this trend. It is rejecting at this high here, but let's see if it can hold this trend. If it don't, it just don't. Let me set an alert if it break this high, because we ain't gonna be sitting here watching this trade. Alright, now let's go look at these charts. Man, CrowdStrike came down to 88. That's what I was talking about. I think yesterday I said we might take the shorts down to 88 for CrowdStrike. I know we said 81. That's what we said. It's coming down though. We said around to 81 though. 83. That's what we said. My bad. I know we said somewhere right here. I don't know. I thought I marked this out. This 83 level. But it's heading down there, y'all. I'm trying to tell y'all, man. It still got about $5 more drop. This is what we was talking about yesterday. I'm gonna be honest, I didn't get in, even though I did call out this play, I didn't get in. Cause I think I said it before we ended the stream. I was like, I might get in CrowdStrike shorts, but I just didn't get in. Now I do see this big gap, so it could stop right here. Could stop right there instead. What's that? That is. Dang, click on the box. 185.50. So it could just bounce right here. Oh, it is a small gap here too. Dang, CrowdStrike got a whole bunch of little gaps everywhere. I didn't even see this little gap here. You gotta be careful because even the smallest gaps, somehow the market will try to bounce off of them. But it looks like it's clearly pushing through that one. I think it's gonna come down here. Let's look at the hourly. I think if we get an hourly close below there, it should be heading its way down to 85. AMD all the way up at 546. AMD just shooting up. It never gave us that short opportunity, and it just made an uptrend. High, low, higher, high. Maybe it's trying to come up to 71. Maybe that's where it's aiming to, 71. Microsoft, pretty neutral. Microsoft still didn't hit its high though. So I don't know. I think it's just building energy to push up higher. Unless it breaks this low. Really, right now, CrowdStrike, AMD is the only two I see that might be worth trading today. Nvidia not really doing nothing. Apple, high, low, high. It is below the daily gap though. This is tricky. It could be trying to reverse here. If we get a green close above the daily gap, I like them longs back to that 34 level, 35 level. Netflix starting to turn around. We starting to push up on Netflix. It made an uptrend. Hold up, I might have to grab me some Netflix, y'all. I might have to grab me some Netflix. I think I'm about to go grab me some Netflix. I think I'm about to grab some Netflix. Tesla, chilling. Meta, nah. Think that's it. I ain't gonna mess with none of the other one. Alright, let's go see what that gold doing. Oh, we up. Recent. We up 37. It still didn't take that high though. It's retesting that level for us though. I can't say that. I want to take that high. Take the high. So I can go and say bye-bye. Okay, we closed above it. We just need to go retest that high for me. That's all I need. I'm gonna keep it here. I'm gonna just wait. I ain't gonna bring it in a profit yet. I'm not gonna bring it in a profit. If it come back and reverse on me, oh well. I wanna see it take that high. And let's see if M&Q cleaned up a little bit for us. Alright, so we closed above the daily gap. I mean the hourly gap. Twice. We closed above it twice. We ain't got no uptrend above it though. It might, I don't know, it might just go straight to that hourly, break the hourly downtrend. Like I said, we might just see green candles and don't get the opportunity to get in. And once it break that hourly, get the hourly downtrend, next target is up here. So It's right there. It should break it. Alright, there it goes. It broke it now. Let's put like a white line. Any uptrend above here, we'll take long. So maybe it gives uptrend opportunity. Now, if it just goes straight greens, I mean, we can't do nothing about it, bro. If it go all green candles to the next high, we just can't do nothing about that. I mean, what else y'all want me to do? I can't do that. It didn't give us an opportunity to get in. Like, we could have just got in off the first green break above this hourly gap, but I don't know. It's not no basic I'm sitting behind, so I really couldn't do that. Let me go check out the Netflix though, cause I like Netflix made an uptrend. That's what I've been waiting on for Netflix. It's a thing uptrend. Waiting on that Netflix uptrend. Now I think it's about time to get in. Hold it for about a year or two. I don't know what to do with this M&Q. That mug just keep on playing. Let me look at this gold, cause I ain't got time for this, man. Gold, come on, go take the high if you know. Take the high, gold. You almost there. Come on, bro. They stalling me out. I think I might close this gold trade if it closes back below that 41,148. I think I'm gonna close it if it do that. We got 30 seconds to see what it's gonna do. If it closes below there, I think I'm gonna go and cut it. I don't even know what to go with it. 14 seconds, like we're gonna get ready to close. I could just hold and keep following this trend though. Which one, y'all? Nah, I'm gonna close. I'm gonna close it. Alright, I'm out. We'll take our little 28. I'm out. Maybe we can get a retest of this gap here, and I can get in. So I'm gonna set a buy limit here. If you want to retest it, stop loss down here. If it just flip green here, make this uptrend, I get in there too. I get in up there too. It just sucked because we got out and we could have stayed in, but we're gonna see. It might just go and make this uptrend. Let's see. But we got our alert. I'll come back when they hit it. I'm gonna set alert down here too, so I know. Oh, they so lame, bruh. They so lame, bruh. This is a shame, bruh. They playing games, bruh. They really gonna go right back and make that higher high after making the red, after getting me out and making my play dead. Alright, so they made that higher high. Make sure that line deleted. I don't really need it no more. Now, what I'm looking for is an uptrend above here. Come on, delete the line. It's lagging like that. Uptrend above here. And I like me some longs. Cause just cause it swept that high, that don't mean this kind of go close green. We gotta wait till that 5-minute close green. Either wait till the 5-minute close green or we see 1-minute uptrend above this previous high. That's the only two ways I'm gonna get in. Other than that, now I don't want these orders down here since it done took that high already. I don't really want this down here. So it's only one thing they're gonna maybe get in. Close above these highs or uptrend above it. It's the only way I get in. Let me go look at this Netflix chart so I can know what contract I need to get. Alright, NYM broke that high. What the heck? NYM really pushed all the way up there. I can't believe NYM. NYM. Let me look at the monthly on Netflix real quick. Because I'm thinking about swinging this Netflix a long time, y'all. About a year or so. Know what I'm thinking about. Thinking about for about a year. I don't even know this John Deere over there, over here, this where. Thinking about Netflix. This the next chick on the phone. Who is you, man? You need to go home. What it do? I don't even know your name was Betty Boo. Try to find me a good contract. Good contract. Good contract. I'm thinking maybe at $100 strike price, maybe about 2 years out or a year out. I mean, I really want to say like 91 for my strike price. To be honest, I want to say $91 for the strike price. Cause you could save some money. To really make me some money though, get 78 strike price for a year out. $78 strike price for a year out. Shoot, that'd be even sweeter. That NYM. Let's go look at this thing NYM. I can get back to my Netflix. Cause this thing NYM getting on my nerve with this alert. Come on, NYM, making all this noise. NYM just went straight to the moon. It did make a nice uptrend too. That's nice. Alright, let's just delete that and put a line there because I don't want to hear this alert. I gotta probably go to my settings because I don't know why I keep making that alert go off a million times. Alright, so uptrend above here, we like the longs. Target is 52,635. Alright, let's go look at that gold though, because gold should have made a decision by now. Alright, we didn't close above it. Let's see if we get an uptrend on 1 minute above it to take some longs. Did not close above it though. I'm gonna wait a second and let that play out. I'm gonna look at the M&Q. Didn't get an uptrend above here yet either. See the 5 minute. Alright, so 5 minute close green, we could take a long. Take a long 5 minute close green. So that's a possibility. Take a long off the 5 minute close green. So we're gonna keep that on. Dang. You ain't have to push like that now. Let's go to gold again. I'm thinking about loans on the M&Q though. We'll go back and look at gold though. Still gotta wait on this gold. MYM, it's pushing. MYM doing this job. They doing this thing. Might take one like NYM. Let's see what it can do. We're only taking one. Y'all know NYMs, we ain't really risking that much. I said alert here. Cause I'm not gonna take profit right here, cause that ain't gonna be nothing but probably $20. And we already up 20. I mean 20 on 20, we'd be up 40. Well, we up $28 or $22. I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I'm just so focused on that dang Netflix. Dang, M&Q ain't even get us an opportunity. It just pushed straight up. Look at the M&Q, y'all. Went straight back to the high. They ain't even give us a chance. Maybe if we close above this high, I'll take a long though. Or we could just take a long and have stops down here. I don't like my stop being that wide. Yeah, let's do that. We gonna get in now. I don't like my stops being this wide, but it's just running. I don't know why it's running, but it's just running. It's just running. Once it take this high here, I'm gonna bring stops up. I want to see if we build an uptrend above it. Cause that's that hourly high. That orange line right there. So when I take that hourly high, I need to see if it make an uptrend. I just hate having my stop this far down, bro. It just seemed too risky. That's why I'm bringing my stop up quick, cause I ain't got time to play these games. All right, let it try to wick down a little bit first. See if we can push above and stay above. It's above it, but okay, let's see. Here come that pullback. Let's see if it's gonna drop all the way back down or not. Let's see. Don't push all the way back down. Stay above there. Let me set stops here. And then this mother wanna lag out of nowhere. That's what I don't get, bro. I feel like it be setting up at the most. A red candle here, I think I'm gonna cut. If we can't close above there. Alright, bring it up. Alright, we closed above it. Hopefully we don't get wicked out here though. We did close above it. I just hope we don't get wicked out. It might wick us out. It might wick us out. Come on, bro. Stay up there. Stay up there. Ah, it wicked us out. I think it's still gonna try to keep pushing higher. But that wick out, it just came down a little too far from me, man. Dang it, bro. I think it still probably push higher. They get on my dang nerves. They get on my dang nerves. Alright, let's bring this up. Got 6 seconds. Alright, I don't want to see no retest here. Let me delete that. It might retest it, but I don't want to see no retest. I just wanted to just go. Leave a breakaway gap. Leave a breakaway gap. I don't even know because you got breakaway naps. And dang, M&Q get on my freaking nerves, bro. I supposed to still been in that M&Q. They just came down with me out last little second. Breakaway gap. I got that breakaway gap. You got them breakaway naps. You got them breakaway naps. Dang, MYM. Why MYM pushing so crazy? Come on, bro. MYM pushing crazy. Let me go look at the next hourly level because then it broke 2 hourly levels. Next one all the way up here. I don't know if it's going to try to go all the way up there. It might. I don't know. It been pushing so crazy. It might go up there. Let's go back to that M&Q. M&Q. Still bullish. Still holding above this hourly level. It don't have a up. That's one thing I say. Not an uptrend above it though. It's holding above it, but it ain't no uptrend above it. So gotta be careful with that. No uptrend above it yet. So one red candle can literally bring us all the way back down. Let's go back to MIM. See if we still in the trade or did they kick us out. We still in it. We still in this thing. It look like it's about to kick us out though. Look like it's about to kick us out. Bring this up. Get as much profit we can off of it. Look like we about to get kicked out though. I think that's it right here. Alright, we out. We got a little 20, 22, $20.3 right there. This dang gold running. It ain't even give us no uptrend. We is closing past though. I do like that. I'm finna go long on gold. It's a strong green candle right now. I wish we had an uptrend above, but hey, it's just strong green right now. We gotta go long. Look at this M&Q. M&Q, we making an uptrend above. Let's let it finish closing though. 19. Oh snap! That hourly about to come. Oh snap! I want to go long, but that hourly about to come. I might have to get out this gold trade because that hourly finna come. Dang it! Dang it! Dang it! Dang it! I might have to get out this trade. Come on. Let's see. I'm gonna bring it up. Soon it take the high. Soon it take the high. If it take the high, cause the dang hourly, it can just go straight down. Come on, take the high. Take the high. Take the high. Come on, you right there. Take the high. It took the high. What the? Y'all ain't gonna let me set it? Come on, bruh. Bruh. Every time I set it, it come right back down. Alright, set it. There we go. Took 15. I ain't want to take that chance because the hourly just started. Alright, so now, right here though, I'll take longs here. Yeah, this is a small stop loss, so I don't mind taking longs here. It is the 1 minute though. Y'all know I hate getting in off this dang 1 minute. But we'll take that. We'll take that long there because this stop loss ain't that big. We'll take a long there. Stop loss not that big. It might just kick us out because this is a dang 1 minute. I'm just looking for about $20. I ain't looking for that much. $20 right here, I'll be straight. I would add right here, but I ain't gonna add because it's on the 1 minute. If it was a 5 minute uptrend, I would have added. 1 minute uptrend, I ain't adding because I don't expect 1 minute uptrend to hold that good, to be honest. and it don't look like it's holding. Look like it's trying to break the dang trend, man. Come on, turn back green, turn back green. Oh, that 1 minute thing about to get broke. Ching ching. If it's kind of turn green, it look like it's gonna be over with. I see this little gap right here. Maybe it can hold above that gap. But I think red candle especially closed below that gap. Oh, it didn't close below it. Okay. Okay, it ain't closed below it. But I feel like if we get a red candle closed below that gap, we definitely come to kick us out. Let's see. Alright, we out, we out. It broke the trend. That's why I say that. Look, we ain't take no loss till we got on that 1 minute uptrend. Took our first little loss, $50 loss. That's dang near all that we made, I think. That gold's still pushing, bro. What the heck? Okay, well, this finna be the first uptrend on gold. It is on the 1 minute. Y'all know I don't like that. But it's finna be our uptrend on gold. And I'm gonna go long if we get this uptrend. You know I'm about to go in. Ask your friend. Phone home. I don't even know what's really going on. It's time to jump in the trade. They playing with me today. Alright, come on, bro. All we need is a 1 minute close above that high, bro. It probably try to come pull back and it get us a little nervous. But we gonna watch it. I'm on this counter right here gonna tell me if I need to stay in or get out. Hopefully it don't drop down too hard. Hopefully it don't drop too hard. Here you go. I might just go get out. I might get out here just take this low. Cause I don't even want to play like that. It could be a huge drop. Yeah, I might go get out here. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. It could be a huge drop right here. Dang. Soon it made a trend. It could reverse instantly. Alright, well we 2 L's back to back. We might have to get ready to get off them. Lead. I ain't gonna say get off. We need to leave that 1 minute alone. That's what we need to do. Just leave the 1 minute alone, bro. That 1 minute set you up, bro. Y'all see, we ain't take no loss till we started hitting that 1 minute up. That would be messing you up, man. That dang 1 minute, it'll make your trend, but it don't hold your trend, bro. That 1 minute do not hold the trend. The only reason I was looking at the 1 minute because we ain't been getting no opportunities on the 5 minute. It just been straight going. I'm liking this NYM up to this high though. Look at the 15. No opportunity there. It's just everything just pushing up with no entries. Pushing up with no entries. M&Q look like it's gonna give us an entry. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Finally, we got something that's 5 minute entry worthy. We get a green counter here. I like to take them longs. This is potential entry here. Alright, let me go back and look at my Netflix contracts while I wait. We kind of got a little impatient trying to jump on that 1 minute. You know, I'll be honest. We did get a little impatient. But we back to our 5 minute, man. We back to our 5 minute. Bro, I'm not buying no 150 strike price. I'm on $100 or less strike price. And I'm trying to get it at least to December. That's the least. I really want to take it to next like February or something. Let's see something. Alright, look like we ain't getting in. It ain't turned green yet. I'm supposed to be doing something. What I'm supposed to do? Oh, I know what I was gonna do. Honestly, this was the trade we supposed to just took. This probably I'm gonna go back. We finna look at all these charts and see the trades that we supposed to took. So we had high, low, high, close above, and supposed to go long. Stop would have been kind of wide, but we're supposed to go long. Supposed to have been trailing in this trade right here. That been one win. Excuse me. Gold. We had gold. We definitely had multiple options. We did get in the gold. We just didn't hold them. So we had high, low, higher, high. We supposed to still been in this. That's a little my fault. NYM. We weren't looking at it at the beginning, but this is the entry here. High, low, boom, broke, made high, high. It is a huge style loss. I don't be liking these big style losses like that, man. I'm be honest. Huge style loss. I think I got a trick to these huge style losses though. I think I got a trick to it, y'all. I think when it say we get in at the break here, right? Candle break here. I think instead of being all the way down here, it's supposed to be there first, but we're gonna let that next candle play out, and whatever that next candle low is, that's where we're supposed to set them stops. Let me look at M and Q, see if whatever would have worked. Yep, broke. Yep. Next candle low, this would have been it. Or we could have trailed in profit, you know. Alright, oh, we pushing. We finna get our green candle. Let's see. Pushing. We do got a lot of time. It's 3 minutes left though. That's the thing. But we still might get the green candle here to go long. I like a long right now, to be honest, but I don't want to jump too soon. I do like a long right now. If it's NYM, I would have did it. Because NYM, I ain't risking that much. Let's look at gold. It might be an entry for gold here. Might be an entry. We just gotta wait until they give us some. Maybe it's an entry again. I'm gonna get in this time. Off these 5-minute uptrend. I'm in green. Man, I want to get in on this MQ, bruh. But it's just 2 minutes left. I gotta wait. I gotta wait. Gotta be patient. I just hate that my stock gonna be so huge though. That's what I don't like. But that's why we're gonna go one contract. Cause my stock literally gonna be all the way down here. Alright, we ain't got no entry yet. MQ the only one that look like it right now. Gold, it's like going back and forth. It might give us it, it may not. Let me look at the hourly real quick. Nice hourly break on gold. MNQ, MYM, nice hourly break. MNQ, nice, all of them got nice hourly break. Look at this 15 red. I don't like that, but that 5 minute. Yeah, I don't like the 15 being red, bro. I don't like that 15 being red. Gold 15 is green. I might take gold one instead of MQ. MIM 15 red. If gold can give us this green counter, I'd rather take this one instead of that MQ. Got 6 seconds. We gonna close green or not? Nope. This close green, but I don't like the fact that the 15 red. I'm gonna let it see if it sweep the low. Sweep that low of that 15 first. We gotta sweep the low first, and then I'll have to look to get in. Alright, it swept the low. Alright, we swept the low. Now if it make an uptrend, I'll get in. Or if this counter can stay green. The reason why I didn't like it, to just getting off that green, cause like I said, that 15-minute close red. I want my higher time frame to be bullish too, if I'm looking to take loans. And the red count telling us, hey, we look for a low. So I at least gotta see it sweep that low before going up. So now if the counter right here turn back green, I'll go long. If it don't turn green, I gotta wait till uptrend form. Or at least the downtrend break, one or two. So now gold on the other hand, all I need to go do was just turn green right here, because the 15-minute was already bullish. So I just needed to turn green on gold. That's it. And I could have took a long. But it didn't turn green, so I couldn't get in. Same thing for NYM. Reason I didn't get NYM because that 15-minute was red, so it need at least sweep the low of the 15, which it's doing right now. Now if it end up flipping back green on the 5-minute on this counter, then you could think about taking loans. But if this counter right here don't turn green, you gotta wait till uptrend form. So that's where we at, man. It's a downtrend on this thing. On this thing. M&Q. Alright, like I said, if this end up flipping back green, I'll take a long. Alright, it'll flip back green. We'll take the longs. We looking for it to come take that high again. We'll look at gold. Let's see what NYM did. The NYM flip green? No, it did. I might add an extra contract. If we can come back to where we got in it, I think I'm gonna add. It may not, but if it can, I might add a contract. I'm gonna add one. And if it gives a red and another green, I'm gonna add another one. We get a red with another green, add another one. If it just go all green, it just go all green. I want to see the uptrend form. I think cut if we close back below here. It's a huge drop. Let's see. That'd be a 5-minute downtrend. Don't look good. Like potentially close. And then this might be it for us today, cause then we'll be down like 160 on the day. So I think I might just have to cut it, call it. Might have to call it. At least we only traded one account today, though. Let's see if we can bounce here, though. Let's see. I'm gonna add one more just since it's the last one. And if it's gonna bounce it had to be right here. This is where it had to bounce it. If it's gonna bounce. Put one. We're gonna leave one down here. This is the last solidified one. Now we just waiting. See if we go get that bounce. G.F.T. I don't like that it's hovering down that long. I feel like if it would have bounced, it would have been pushing up by now. I don't like that it's hovering down low. I should have been pushed up by now. I think that was it. I think it's finna go. Come on. Take that low and like it's gonna kick us out of these 2 contracts at least. Come on, we need 5-minute green right here. 5-minute green. 5-minute green kinda. $26 seconds. I'm gonna cut. Close green here. Alright, we got the green. We got the green. Let's see if we can come on, push all the way back up now. We got the green. Let's see if we can push all the way back up now. They ain't edge us. They had that much super close. Super close. See if we can push all the way back. We need to close above these highs here. Need to close above these highs. Come on, bro. Let's close above them highs. Dang it. Didn't close above. We still gotta wait. It still can come all the way back down on us. Need to close above, bro. Come on, come on, come on. I don't want to see no red candle. I need us to close above. No red candle, just to close above. Oh, look at that red candle coming. Come on. Need all green candles, close above. All green candles, close above. Alright, we got another green candle. We still didn't close above, man. They playing games. They playing games, bro. Hopefully this candle close above right here. It look like this candle finna close above. Let's see. If we take these highs here, I'm gonna bring one of the stop losses up here. just so we could take a little profit off of it. If we come take this high here. Alright, we got our close above. Now, come on, we need to start running to them dang highs. Did get our close above, we need to start running to the highs. I hate moving my stop loss up when it's in the negative, but technically I'm supposed to bring it up. But I just hate to do it. I don't like doing it. Dang, I don't want to bring it up. Technically I'm supposed to bring it up, bro. I just don't want to. I'm bringing it up after this next candle right here. Well, I'm at least bring it here, I think. That's a little bit up. Trying to see if next candle can close green. Oh man, come on. Don't do us like this. Don't do us like this, man. Don't do us like this. This some trash. This some trash. This some trash. Man, I'm literally pushed all the way back below the 5-minute gap. Alright, stop's gonna be sitting right here. We need this to be green. This gotta be a huge green counter here. Oh, that 5-minute close red. Oh my goodness. I thought it closed green. Dang, I definitely don't like this trade now. We literally gotta just start pushing up here. Cause it look like it's gonna kick us out. After closing red again. Yeah, I don't like this trade. I think I'm gonna cut. I think I wanna cut, bro. At least cut 2 of them. I'm gonna cut at least 1. I don't like it after it turned red like that. I'm gonna just cut 1. Yeah, I don't like it. We literally gotta just push up hard at this point. We gotta run. I'm gonna bring stops up. We gotta start running. I don't like how that dropped. We gotta start running. That red candle threw it all off. It's supposed to be all green candles till we take that high. So at this point, we gotta just straight push up. We gotta straight push up to break this downtrend. They done messed the motor up, bro. They done messed it up with that red counter push. We in this trade a little too long, bro. It's supposed to been, we supposed to been had hit TP by now. We ain't been in this trade a little too long. Come on, bro. We supposed to hit TP or style on one of them by now. As of right now, we're down on the day. About $80. So Y'all know $200 my max loss on the day. So look on that red. I think I'm about to get out there, bro. Brought stops all. We brought stops all the way up. Cause I don't like it. I don't like it. It need to push. Alright, we out. Yeah, I ain't like that. We just got caught up in the chop spot, man. That's how it was. Really got caught up in the choppy area. So I'm down. I think I'm down like 150. I think we're gonna call it. Yeah, we down. Alright. We're gonna call it, man. We was trying to continue them longs, but it started chopping. Technically, it still didn't make a lower low. It didn't make a downtrend yet, so technically, it still could push up. But once I added that extra contract, my risk management wasn't how I liked it, and then it started chopping a little too much for my liking. So we probably got ourselves out too soon by us adding a contract. But I just didn't like all this consolidation, so I said, you know what? I'm gonna start trailing a little tighter. We're gonna cut this trade. So that's what we end up doing. Y'all have a good one though. I'm gonna end it here. And your boy Keith is out. Peace.